Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the default map marker color in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, and then we're going to go to the user interface section and then scroll down to default map marker color. And once we expand this little tab right here, we can select from random to all of these other colors. So this will be the default color that appears when you just place the marker first on the map. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.